Hey guys, it's Zion. Welcome back to my channel. I hate that. What? Oh my god.
Yes, I'm a petty lover today.
Hey guys, it's Zion. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of fun over here and you don't want to miss it. And if you're not new here, then okay, I'll see you with the consistency. I thought that in honor of this being my last video before I officially leave for college, I thought that I would make it a room tour. I'm constantly changing things with my room, adding stuff to the walls, adding pieces that other people have made, and beautiful artwork. So I thought that I would commemorate my room in its last days. And in addition to that, this isn't a white sitcom. I don't know what's gonna happen with this room after I leave. I'm not gonna come back 5 years from now, or maybe even at Christmas and be like, oh my gosh, this is exactly how I left it. I haven't even left yet and there's already talks of moving into my room. So this video is special for me too. This might be the last few moments. So that kind of sucks because I did a lot of cleaning. I don't know if y'all ever had a black woman wake you up on a Saturday morning to clean baseboards, but I have. And it's not a pleasant experience, but I'm out here doing it voluntarily now because I just wanted this room to be perfect before I left. Before I go to a dorm room and pick up where 100 kids have already been, so. Anyway, let's get right into the video.
I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I don't know I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I don't do it, I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I don't do it, I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I. She wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I don't do it, I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not do it, I still try, and she wonders why I don't trust nobody. Not even I still try, and she wonders why. You all the time, deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them, but I see you all the time. Deep shit. You say that you don't like them.
I bet actual money that at least in the weeks after I leave, somebody's gonna come in this room, get something for whatever reason, or use something and not put it back. And I'm like, I just cleaned you, but that's not my issue anymore. It's not. We're moving on, bigger and better things, but whatever. So that's why the room tour had to happen. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe, share, and tell everybody that you know to do the same. You know, my first thought after I filmed the video and then the intro for the video, my first thought was, all right, gotta charge the camera, gotta get the SD card out, gotta edit this video. Never mind the fact that packing would be nice. Probably should get on that. It's fine though. Update. I'm editing this at like 1 a.m. and I leave in like 3 days. And no packing got done today. Not a single item of clothing is packed, but video's done. Hope you like it.